everybody, Debbie Starr here. I wanted to jump on here and do a quick little live demo of what I do with different people that reach out to me. If you're an entrepreneur, if you're a coach, if you're trying to figure out how to get your genius online, maybe you're trying to create an online course, I have different services that I help people. And the first way that I help them is by doing an online business, basically a breakthrough strategy session. And I do that by using mind map. If you've never done or seen mind mapping, I'm going to demonstrate it to you in just a minute. But what I do is I help you just connect all of those dots, because sometimes when you're in the middle of your business, you're struggling, this merry-go-round, you just don't know what to do first. You feel so overwhelmed. And even if your business is going well, you'll reach that point when you need to do more and you can't figure out how you can do that. Of course, systems and automation, that's the secret. But you have to start with doing a kind of a 90-foot view of your business. So what I wanted to show you is just, of course, each person is different. And when you're doing it real time, completely different. But I just wanted to show you just briefly how I do this with clients. And I'm going to put a link below. I actually offer a 30-minute session. If you just want maybe 2 or 3 things in your business, you just feel like you're struggling and you want another set of eyes, we go through this process together. So I just want to let you know that service is available. It's free. Leave your credit card at home. I'm not going to try to do a hard sell or anything like that. It's just something that I offer, and hopefully it'll make a difference in your business. So what I'm going to do, let me share my screen. And once I do that, I'm just going to hop in to Mind Map here. So let me just move this over here, and you should be seeing this mind map. Now, if you've never done mind mapping before, I'll make this really small here. Basically, mind mapping mimics the brain. So our brain really thinks in pictures. It thinks in almost like a tree root. And so you've got all of these little branches going off. And when you mind map something, it really brings the clarity to the focus. So whenever I meet with different leads or my clients, what we do is we do a little mind map, and we start drilling down into what your business looks like. And then as we're doing this, I mean, it's almost like magic. I mean, I don't believe in magic, but what happens is things start getting crystallized. And as we work together, then you can see your business as a whole here, and then you realize exactly what areas you need to work on, or maybe there's some gaps or holes as far as implementing some systems, or sometimes something as simple as you realize you're spending $300-400 on some of your tech tools, and you could actually use a great tool like Kartra, and it would only cost you about $100 a month. So, excuse me. So whenever I work with people, we start building out something. And so for instance, here, if somebody's trying to grow their Facebook group, what are all of the steps? What do they need to do to maybe streamline it, or things to add value to that? And as we're talking, I just capture that information and I start building this out. And then from here, basically, it's like an outline. And as we identify maybe certain areas of your business that, there's potential for, I don't know, you could enhance it, or, something that you should jump onto right away, then we just highlight those. So here, if somebody's building their Facebook group, the first thing I might want to look at is what kind of process or what kind of system do you have in place, so that as you're building your Facebook group, it doesn't take you a lot of time. Do you have a system to capture their email? Do you have a system to send it to your all-in-one marketing system like Kartra? Do you have a system to send out, your freebie, things like that? How about your content? What's your system in place for that? What are you doing What are some gaps or areas that you could build on this? So again, this is just a super simple example. Here we talk about maybe some goals that you might have with your social media, maybe some other goals in your business. Maybe you're trying to break into the speaking events, and so you want to set those goals of what you want to do there. Maybe there's some gaps with your web page or your landing. You want to build a quiz. I mean, the list goes on. And what's unique is, because we're all unique, we're all special. Every business is different, but every business is the same in the sense of you can easily create some systems around your business so that it flows smoother. So you're not constantly reinventing the wheel, so that you're not sitting here staring at your computer trying to figure out what is it that you're supposed to be working on for today or this next week, whatever. There's these systems that you can easily implement in your business. Let me just stop sharing the screen here. Maybe. Okay. So that's just a super quick little overview. I just wanted to show you that sometimes people, I get it. Nobody wants to get on that free call because you don't want to sit for 30 minutes as they try to strong arm you into buying something. This breakthrough session that I offer to people, trust me, I'm not trying to sell you. I'm just offering this. A lot of my people that come into my Facebook group, this is something that I offer for free. I have a 90-minute session that I do charge for, $197. Anybody that comes into my group, they're welcome to that. I'm more than happy, because I want to help them scale their business and build that foundation. If you just want to jump on a call with me and have me demonstrate this, and we can pick 2 or 3 things and drill down into your business, I'd love to offer that too. So I'm going to put a link in the comments below. So regardless of where you're watching this, you can just click that link and sign up for a free session. And hopefully it's going to change your business. All right. Thanks for watching. Talk with you later.